I'm just gonna show a little bit of the things that I'm taking or packing, little things or tricks that I'm being using um from watching other YouTube videos. Is there some of the things that I have used in the past when I have learned from it in the past, and some of the things that I have learned watching other videos that I'm recently doing for packing. So I'm gonna show you how I'm packing. Maybe it'll be helpful to you guys for your journey. So let's see. I'm going to show you guys what I'm taking with me. So mostly what I try to do is I packed in separate bags so I know what they are. And before I used to pack even in a separate bag, but those separate bags weren't see-through, so if I was looking for something, I had to open every single one and to find it. So this time I tried to pack in a see-through clear bag, so I can see what I'm taking. As for so that's what I did for every single bag that I try to do see through the bag so I can see what I'm taking. As for this one, this is for all of our shower stuff. So for ihram, during the ihram state of ihram, that you need some unscented stuff, which is unscented deodorant, unscented lotion, and whatever that you might be using during this time, you should have unscented. So in here that we have, I'm not gonna open it, I'm just gonna show you through the bag, but okay. So I have a body wash and a body lotion. Those are both unscented, and a wipe in case if I'm doing, state of ihram, to wipe my hands or anything. Those are all unscented. So is our deodorants. Both of our deodorants are unscented, and here's like some shampoo, Vaseline, other things that are in it, and that some of them are scented, which I would not be using during the state of ihram. The state of ihram is just like until you finish your tawaf and you walk to your side, which is the walk to the mountains of Safa and Marwa. So during those times, probably like a few hours, so which is not that bad. And if we need to take a shower or anything, the body wash, we could just use the body wash and a lotion, and that should be it. Like, you really don't need much of everything that's are unscented. If you do have everything unscented, great, but if you don't, there's not to be stressed about it mostly. So this bag is most of our shower stuff. I have some baby wipes in case if I need anything. So those are just baby wipes. Just they can come in handy to clean up anything, or wipe your hands, mouth, whatever you need to wipe. This bag is mostly medicine. So I have some diarrhea, some vitamin C, some painkillers, some Band-Aid, and also some allergy medicine. Everything that's normally you need. You can find them in the pharmacy there, but if you have it with you, then you don't have to worry about finding them, so you have it. In this bag there are some compression socks for me and my husband, so those that we'll be using it in the plane. So that's most of the stuff in here, which is mostly gonna go to our main luggage, but for now I just put it in the carry-on, but we'll transfer them later while I was packing them. And then this is my husband's luggage. This is his mostly clothes that I'm not gonna open or show you guys. I have another bag that's just gonna go into my backpack, which is right here. This is the backpack that I'm gonna be carrying with me. So for in here, I haven't even finished packing. That's my wallet. And then there's this bag, which is like emergency kit of things that I might need, like a tweezer, nail cutter, things like that. Some simple things that I might need. I'm also going to pack this in my backpack, which is like the chargers, earphone, and then other wires, or this is the power bank that I might need. That's this is mostly empty right now because I haven't finished packing my backpack yet. Also, we're gonna take in a folder with our emergency paperworks, like our marriage certificate, our copy of our passport, and then any, you know, important paperwork that we might need. So we're just gonna pack that too. Also for like, yeah, this is something that was important that I found from watching other videos. So this is my luggage. So this is my luggage, and I'm gonna show you some of the stuff that I might be taking with me. So this is like a sweater, in case if I get cold or anything. That's sweater. That's a bathrobe, just to in case to have it. Those are some PJs. I don't know if I should take all of them. There's like almost 4 pairs of PJs. I should be good with taking 2 or 3. Those are some t-shirts to wear underneath the abaya, so I have that. Those are some pants and jeggings that I might be using. Here is some dresses, long dresses, and abayas. Here's also some like jeggings that I'm gonna use. I'm bringing a face towel with me because I like to have a face towel of my own. After I take a shower, I wash my face because it's just, I prefer. Some hotel towels are, you know, those towels are used by so many people, and even though they wash it, but still, like, my face is very sensitive, so I like to carry my own face towels with me if I can. So in this bag, there's all the hijabs in this bag that I'm taking with me. So I have a few of those bags to like separate things, and which is very helpful and easy to do because if you're putting everything in the luggage, that could be getting, like, you know, stuck up somewhere, and you might not find it when you need something. So to have these separate bags, they're very handy and useful. So that in this bag, I think I just have some leggings and some black t-shirts to wear underneath the abaya. They're all black, so I just have them in a separate bag because so I can't like lose them with other black like leggings or abaya or anything. So they're separate because sometimes when you have like black one color something, you might not find it. So I'll just have it in a separate bag. And then in this one, which is right here, in different comfort bag, this is where my gloves, bra, underwear, all those other personal stuff in here. So that's pretty much it that I am currently taking with me. Not sure if I'm missing anything, and if I am, then I would have to, you know, I guess buy it later. But I hope it is helpful to you guys to, you know, have a sense of idea of what to take with you. Also the things that I'm not stressed about taking any big winter jacket or like colder clothes because it's gonna be warm there. So not taking any much winter or warm clothes. So I'm taking only one black jacket, which is this one. Yeah, so that's I can just wear it in the evening or in the morning if it's like a little chilly with chapel my abaya, so on. And then this is the bathrobe that I will be taking. So that's all, guys, and hope this video was some sort of helpful. If it is, let me know, and I'll also do more videos after I come back and show you what how the trip was, and then if I learn anything or if I have anything to share. All right, peace. Allah Hafiz.